First step is turn on your oven to 350. Add 1/4, baby. Add 2 teaspoons. And the most important part, cocoa powder. Last but not least, some salt. And I'm just gonna shake some in. And I'm just gonna sift it together. Now the recipe says to do 3 tablespoons of butter softened, so I'm gonna cut it down the middle. It says to cream the butter and sugar together. So now that it's kind of almost getting that creamy texture, it'll get more creamy as you add in the next egg. Now it should look like this, which is the creamy smoothie texture we want it to be at now. Now that our mixture is all smooth and creamy, the next step is to add in the flour as well as, so it's 1 cup of milk, and I'm gonna pour some milk in and then pour some of this flour mixture in and keep going back and forth. Now that the batter should look something like this, we're going to take it over and we're gonna put it in our cupcake liners. Now, anytime I'm going to put something in cupcake liners, I like to use an ice cream scoop, and I will scoop some of the batter into here and place it in the cupcake liner. It should be about 3/4 way full. Now we are going to put them in the oven. And almost forgot to say that we are going to keep them in for 15 to 17 minutes. Now they're all done, and they have holes because I used toothpicks to make sure they were totally cooked. And I'm just going to put in a new batch and put the frosting on. These are baking. We are going to make a super quick, easy cream cheese vanilla frosting. Now it says to use 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is what this tub is. So I'm just going to use all of this, and then use half a cup of butter, which is this whole stick. And we're gonna put this in here. And now it should start to look something like this. You wanna beat it until it gets super smooth and fluffy so that these lumps kind of go away. So it might take a little while. And personally, I didn't like how the mixer was doing it, so I just started doing it with a spoon. Some of the last steps are going to be just putting in 4.5 cups of powdered sugar. If you don't want it that sweet, you don't have to do that much, but just adding in a little bit. And now you're done. You get to enjoy them. I just frosted the cupcakes using a Ziploc baggie and cutting off the tip and doing it that way. Hope you guys had fun making it.